Alright, David Harry here. And in this video, which I'm going to try and keep short because I've already done a similar one to this, but indoors, what I'm going to do here is outdoors, I'm going to test the original GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter, which I'll just call the mic adapter, which is what I'm on now. As we can see from the other camera here, I'm on the Ulanzi system, but this time what I'm doing, I'm using my Rode Wireless Go with the Rode Lavalier Go, and it's concealed, so it's here. Hold on. There, we should have heard that just then. So what I'm going to do is just do another test but outdoors, just so we can clearly get another idea of what or if there are any differences between the original mic adapter and also the microphone input on the Media Mod. So what I'm going to do anyway is I'm going to just flip over onto the Media Mod, and I'll do my usual thing where I cut between two takes, do a bit of silence and stuff like that, and then I'll kind of let you be the judge again of what the results are to all this. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll flip over onto the Media Mod. Okay, so as we can now see from the other camera there, I've now flipped over to the Media Mod. The only problem is here, I forgot to bring out the adapter for my pistol grip, so I can't connect the pistol grip directly to the Media Mod. Although for this particular test, it won't really matter because it's not going to interfere with the audio, because the audio isn't actually coming from anywhere on the Media Mod, so I don't really need to protect the actual Media Mod or the GoPro for anything to do with audio, because the audio is all coming from there, which is the concealed lavalier. Anyway, so I'll just talk for a little bit here, just to give ourselves another idea of how this is sounding. And also I'll explain how we'll go about doing the levels for this one. Now what it is, because the receiver for the Rode Wireless or the Rode Wireless Go, because its receiver can actually throw out a fairly decent output, I put its output to the highest it can go to, and I put the GoPro to line level on its input. Now the reason why I do that is because it then allows me to raise up the level in post, but in the actual recording itself, it doesn't subject it to all the AGC and dynamics processing, which would normally happen when you record with the GoPro in its mic modes. And don't forget as well, whether it's the Media Mod or whether it's the original mic adapter, the GoPro is controlling all the hardware for both of them. So whatever you do to one, those settings will be exactly the same and applied the same to the other. So what it is right now, I will have just regained both of these by the exact same amount in post, so there's going to be no difference in like compression or limiting, because I'm not using it, and I'm not using any EQ or anything like that. So what we are hearing here is like for like as it's gone in, just with the re-level. And for anybody who's interested in such things, raising the level up in post is exactly how you would do these things in order to get the output level correct going out. So we're not distorting the figures here or anything like that. What we've actually done is give the signal the best possible quality we can do for in the recording stage right now before I get into post. Anyways, what I'm going to do is just drop the signal really quickly. So right now what we are hearing is the level exactly as it's gone in. Now you will hear that this level is really low by comparison to when it's being raised up. Now I'll raise it back up again, so now we're back up to the raised level. So definitely there's a difference there, but like I say, it's the best way to record anything on a GoPro if you can go into line level mode with it for the recording and then gain it up in post. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to bounce between two takes of me kind of just talking through some of the lyrics from Devo's Jocko Homo, and then what I'll do, I'll go into some silence testing as well. They tell us that we lost our tails, evolving up from little snails. I say it's all just wind in sails. Are we not men? We are Devo. Are we not men? D-E-V-O. There. Okay, so I've just done the little thing there where I cut through me reciting two takes of Devo's Jocko Homo, which There'll be a link here to take you to the original song so you can have a hear what it is that I keep talking about when I do that little test. And also I did the silence test as well. Hopefully that will let us know if there's any differences here with like the noise levels within each of the interfaces. Now I don't know if we can see it right now, and I'm not entirely sure that I'm getting any rain on the lens on the other camera, but I'm gonna have to dart off. It has just started raining. I've come out on the one day where it wasn't raining, then it starts again. Anyways, let us know what you think of all this, and there will be another test there for indoors, which I will have linked to probably. If not, it'll be here right now, but it'll definitely be in the descriptions below. And if you like this stuff that I'm doing with the Hero 8 and the Media Mod and all those bits and pieces, go and have a look at www.gopro9.com, which will initially take you to be playlists from all my Hero 8 stuff and Media Mod stuff. It will eventually become a small little website hosting all of my GoPro videos at some point. Anyways, I'm gonna have to get off because it really is starting to rain. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.